Welcome to my channel. If you're a fan of raw power, breathtaking design and top-tier performance, then you're in for a treat, because today we're diving deep into the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS, the ultimate grand tourer that blends Ferrari's iconic V12 heritage with open-top acceleration. This is not just a car, it's a statement, a masterpiece of engineering that embodies everything Ferrari stands for. Let's start with the heart of the beast. Under the hood of the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine delivering an astonishing 830 horsepower and 692 Nm of torque. This is Ferrari's most powerful production convertible, and it remains a true masterpiece of combustion engineering. While other manufacturers are downsizing and moving toward electrification, Ferrari is keeping the spirit of the V12 alive in the most spectacular way possible. This engine screams to an earth-shattering 9,500 RPM, delivering a sound that can only be described as symphonic. It's raw, emotional, and absolutely spine-tingling. The moment you step on the throttle, the response is instantaneous. The power delivery is smooth yet brutally quick, launching the 812 GTS from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds and pushing beyond 211 miles per hour at full throttle. This is a car that doesn't just accelerate, it erupts forward with relentless force. The 812 GTS isn't just about straight-line speed. Ferrari has meticulously engineered this machine for precision handling and razor-sharp responsiveness. The car features an advanced rear-wheel steering system that enhances agility and stability at high speeds. Whether you're carving through tight mountain roads or dominating the track, the 812 GTS responds with unmatched accuracy thanks to its adaptive suspension and aerodynamic refinements. Speaking of aerodynamics, Ferrari has fine-tuned every inch of the 812 GTS to maximize performance and efficiency. The front splitter channels air to increase downforce, while the rear diffuser and active aerodynamic elements optimize stability. The retractable hardtop roof, which can be lowered in just 14 seconds at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, integrates seamlessly into the design, maintaining the car's sleek profile even with the top down. The beauty of the 812 GTS isn't just in its engineering, it's in the design. This is Ferrari at its finest. The sculpted bodywork, aggressive front fascia, and muscular rear haunches make it look like a work of art in motion. Every curve and line serves a purpose, blending aesthetics with functionality. The massive air intakes and carbon fiber elements scream performance, while the signature quad exhaust pipes remind you that this is a true V12 monster. Step inside and you're greeted with a cockpit that perfectly balances luxury and performance. The 812 GTS is designed for the driver. Every control is within reach, from the F1-inspired steering wheel with integrated controls to the digital instrument cluster displaying real-time performance data. The carbon fiber paddle shifters are satisfyingly tactile, allowing you to snap through gears with lightning speed. The seats are a masterpiece on their own, sculpted for both comfort and support. They are wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching that adds a touch of elegance. Ferrari offers endless customization options, allowing owners to choose from a wide range of interior trims, materials, and finishes. This isn't just a supercar, it's a personal statement of taste and style. Technology plays a major role in making the 812 GTS not just a performance machine, but a daily drivable supercar. The latest Ferrari infotainment system comes with an advanced touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system. However, let's be honest, in a car like this, the real music comes from that glorious V12 engine. The digital driver display provides vital telemetry information, ensuring you have full control over the car's capabilities at all times. Ferrari has also equipped the 812 GTS with cutting-edge safety and driver assistance features. While this is a pure driver's car, it still comes with adaptive cruise control, stability control, and an advanced traction management system. These systems don't interfere with the driving experience, but rather enhance it, allowing you to push the car to its limits with confidence. Now let's talk about the driving experience, because that's where the 812 GTS truly shines. This is a car that doesn't just transport you, it immerses you in every aspect of driving. The naturally aspirated V12 is an absolute masterpiece, delivering linear power with an urgency that few cars can match. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts with surgical precision, keeping the engine in its optimal power band. Whether you're on the track or cruising along coastal highways, the 812 GTS delivers an experience that's pure, unfiltered, and electrifying. One of the standout features of this car is the retractable hardtop roof. Unlike many convertibles that compromise on rigidity, Ferrari has engineered the 812 GTS to maintain structural integrity and performance. Even with the roof down, the chassis remains incredibly stiff, ensuring that handling and cornering capabilities are not affected whether the roof is up or down. And let's be honest, there's nothing quite like driving a naturally aspirated V12 Ferrari with the top down, hearing that glorious exhaust note echo through the streets. Now let's talk competition. The Ferrari 812 GTS sits in a league of its own. While it goes up against cars like the Aston Martin DBS, Volante, the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, and the McLaren 765 LT Spider, there's something uniquely special about the Ferrari experience. The blend of heritage engineering and passion that goes into every Ferrari makes it stand out from the rest. The 812 GTS isn't just a fast car, it's a soul-stirring machine that connects you to the very essence of driving. But with all this performance comes a price. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is expected to start at a premium price tag well over $400,000. But let's be honest, this isn't just about price, it's about exclusivity. Ferrari builds cars for those who appreciate the art of driving, and the 812 GTS is no exception. With limited production and a high demand, this car is set to be a collector's dream. Let's not forget Ferrari's racing pedigree. Everything in the 812 GTS is a direct result of Ferrari's expertise in Formula One and endurance racing. The lightweight materials, the aerodynamics, the engine tuning, every element has been inspired by Ferrari's relentless pursuit of performance perfection. This is why the 812 GTS isn't just another luxury supercar, it's a race-bred machine that's been refined for the road. The question is, who is this car for? The Ferrari 812 GTS is for the purist, the enthusiast, the person who doesn't just want to own a fast car but wants to experience every heartbeat of its performance. This is for someone who values the sensation of driving, who understands the heritage behind the prancing horse, and who wants to own a piece of automotive history. So, is the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS the ultimate grand tourer? The answer is a resounding yes. It combines breathtaking speed, unparalleled engineering, and open-top acceleration in a way that few cars can. The last of the naturally aspirated V12 Ferraris, the 812 GTS is more than just a car, it's an experience, a legacy, and a dream come true for those lucky enough to get behind the wheel. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS. Let us know in the comments what you think about this beast when you take the 812 GTS over its competitors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more supercar reviews, in-depth comparisons, and all things high-performance automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.